ito yung sa library system with database. So, ayun yung code, and ito naman. So, ito rin yung sa yung main window. Ayan. So, ito yung design. Ayan. At ito din yung sa main window. Ayan yung design. So, run natin. So, run as ayan. So, magra-run siya ngayon. So, dito, mag-add tayo ng book. So, click add book. Then, ayan. So, diba, lagyan natin is Hunter. So, si author is si John Smith. So, year published is 2011. So, quantity is 7. So, add. So, and successfully, and lilitaw naman siya dyan. So, add ulit tayo ng isa. So, let's say, warrior. So, author, si, Jake. Sabihin natin Jake, Gandler. Ayan. So, year published, 2004. Then, quantity is 8. Ayan. So, ayan. Yan sila.